Hey everybody, it's day 26 of our summer sketches, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a simple chicken using the letter G. So we're going to start with a capital letter G, nice and big and in the center. Okay, and what we're going to do here is we're going to connect the top down, just like that. And we're going to draw a beak and wing lines here. We're going to draw an eye. And the top. That's it, guys. It's just a cute little chicken. A fun little chicken drawing. Something that you could do if you're just hanging out, feel like doodling. Let's color it. It kind of looks like an egg, like a chicken and an egg, and I like it white like this, so I think I'm gonna leave it. You know, maybe I'll, just to give it some more color, maybe let's add some grass. Just making a scenery, you know? If you're wondering what I'm doing, these are just like little bits of grass sticking up. That's all, just little grass blades. Maybe I'll take another green and let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, you know another way you can do grass is just lines. It's so fun. I'm glad we decided to do the grass, guys, because this is fun. What I love is some of you have been showing me your drawings and sending them to me, and you guys go ahead and make little scenarios for your drawings, and it's just so cute. I love it. Love seeing your creativity. Let's see, what else? How about a nice sun? Oh yeah, sun rays coming up. Little clouds happening. Are they rain clouds? Oh my. And there you have it, a cute little chicken. I hope you guys give this a try, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch.